Hey guys, welcome back to Code Orbit, and this is day 14 of doing Codeforces in the Grandmaster level. And today we'll be doing a problem called the Super Agent. And here the problem statement is there is a very secret base in Potato Land where potato mash is made according to a special recipe. Neighbors from Florida decided to seize this recipe and sell it to Pilau Land. For this mission, they have been preparing Special Agent Perlo for many years. And finally, Perlo learned all secrets of espionage. He penetrated into the Potato Land territory and reached the secret base. Now he's standing at the entrance, but to get inside, he needs to pass a combination lock. Okay. Minute ago, one of the workers entered the password on terminal and opened the door. The terminal is a square digital keyboard, 3 cross 3 with digits from 1 to 9. Paolo knows that the password consists from distinct digits and is probably symmetric with respect to the central button of the terminal. He has a heat sensor which allowed him to detect the digits which the worker pressed. Now he wants to check whether the password entered by the worker is symmetric with respect to central button of the terminal. This fact can help Perlo to reduce number of different possible password combinations. Okay, yes, so this is all of the theory, I guess, and here you need to focus on this. Input contains matrix of three rows of three symbols each. Symbol X means that the corresponding button was pressed, and symbol dot means this was not pressed. The matrix contain no X and also it may contain no dot. And we need to press if the password is symmetric with respect to the central button. Okay, so this we need to focus and no otherwise. Like here, x dot and dot x. It gives yes. So what the main theme of the problem is, it is central symmetry. Okay, okay. Y is too large, I think. Now, I guess you guys want to know what central symmetry is. So let's say we take the problem like here, I guess x dot, then dot, dot, and then dot x x. Now we need to look from this level. Okay. So what central symmetry is? It's like let me show you another way. Like here it is f. Okay, and we are comparing from this point. Okay. So here you will get f like this, like inverted 180 degrees, 180 degrees rotation, 180 degrees rotation. So here you can see we'll check the first element, the first row with the last element of the last row. So yeah, if they match, okay, then move on. Then middle element should be same, okay, and then the last element and the first element should be same. Okay, so this is in the case when the uh, middle row is completely equal for all of this. Let's say, uh, let me remove this. Yeah, so let's say we have, I guess, x dot, then we have, I think, dot x and then dot. Okay, and now you can take like x. Okay, we need to make it, yeah, like dot x. So you can see this element is equal to this element. This is equal to this. This is equal to this. Now notice that uh, in the middle row, we also need to have some symmetry. Like for the middle row, we have x in the middle. So which means that the right element and the left element are same for both the rows. So the cases for the symmetry where the matrix will be centrally symmetric are only these. Let's say all of middle row are equal, or first one is this, second one is dot, and third one is this. Or first one is dot, middle one is this, third one is dot. Okay, so these are the cases where there will be sentence symmetry for the second row. So now we will code this problem. Instead of taking the matrix, I think if we can simply take three strings, take their inputs, okay, and yeah, small s, okay. Now what I can do is we can uh, reverse the third string. So s3 dot begin and s3 dot and we can check if s1 is equal to s3. Out yes, or else yeah, fine, I guess. Okay, semicolon. And let's add our other condition also, that for the second row f2 can only be either xxx, or f2 can only be, let's say, dot dot dot. And third condition, f2 should be equal to x dot x, okay, or f2 is equal to dot x dot. Yeah. So for the second row, these conditions should be maintained for symmetry, and the reverse of the third row should be equal to the first row. Yeah. So I guess this will be the solution. Let me just submit it. Yeah, I think it's okay. Okay, let's see, guys. It is showing compilation error. Okay, let's see. Oh, sorry, guys. I think, yeah, here. And there is no error anywhere, I think. Okay. Yeah, this is good. Then we will submit it again. Okay, let's see now. Hmm, it is running. Okay, guys, you can see the solution for the problem has been accepted. And yeah, guys, this was the solution for the problem super agent. And this was it for day 14. Thank you and bye bye.